na lang. Kaya ma-appeal ka.
39 years. 39 years. Made with Animoto.
Nanas tatay pa.
Diri ka tiya ah. Ako na dira sa baba. Ang Jollibee. Ang aurang basic.
Wala, si Cindy.
Last year na, no?
Ah! Nadako na ilang.
Balik din.
Nanas tatay. Nanas
Oo,
mo sila.
ano?
Si Cass.
God bless and whatever happens, yun naman na God is always there for you and
Makoy lang ako sa day group sa Singapore.
nandito para sa'yo. And all the best and ikakasal ka na pala. Hindi ko alam. Yun lang. See you soon and
Namatay mo po diyan, Papa.
dito na ako
Nagpakamal
for you. And alam naman namin na laging mo kami pinagdadasal. Love you, ate.
Hi,
Si
Sister
Julie.
Sel. First of all, I want to greet you a happy 40th birthday.
Oo,
Welcome
okay.
to the club. And also, I want to congratulate you and wish you the best for your upcoming wedding. And of course, my prayers go out to you and your family for what had happened. God is always with you. God is always with us. Always remember that. And I'm here. If you need me, just message me. Even though we're far away from each other. Thank you, love you, and I miss you. Bye.
Si Julie na nasa Amerika. Ah,
Ay,
si Jules.
Kasi na
Wala may sound dyan.
ang bot niya.
Nga na ba man?
Si Jules.
Nga naman. Wala.
Alam ko na yung made with Animoto. Sa ano siguro niya app.
Sayang.
Na-mute ni ate.
Di off ka